is coming down again. Back in the Gardner Mountain neighborhood. Wow.
Look at your deck.
What deck? We just went to a friend's to have lunch after the ski tour, and man, it is at least 3-4 inches already. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Don't fall on our house. I've been. Was it blowing snow? Bella, Bella! Whoa! Sunday, about 6 p.m. Just getting the dogs out for a little exercise before I have to run to the airport. I have to drive to Reno to pick up some family members, which will be a little sketch in this storm. I mean, really, and this is all drifty a little bit, probably only got 6 inches so far. Come on, Bella, let's go. Let's go. Becoming more and more common, seeing people on the roof. I don't know if this is captured on camera of how windy it is. It's pretty nasty. I just had to show you guys this roof. It is folded over so much. It slid right off the top. It's sketchy underneath here now, probably. All right, Pen. Well, we're gonna have a lot of this for the rest of tonight. Driving in snow drifts, I reckon. So thankfully we haven't had a ton of snow. It looks like a lot, but really I think it's only because it's drifting around. Probably about 6 inches is what we've had. So I am gonna attempt to make it down to Carson. It's a little unknown whether 580 from Carson to Reno is open. So we'll make an attempt, see what happens. It's wild out here, folks. Don't drive if you don't have to, is what's told to you. I wouldn't be driving if I didn't have family coming in. Berm is building up in the middle of the road here. God, it does look very icy. That is slightly concerning. That's the kind of stuff that's not going to be fun. Unfortunately, just left Tahoe Keys Boulevard, and it was just blowing snow before from previous snow that had fallen, but now it's blowing and dumping heavily. Quick little update. It is dumping still. We're about to go through Cave Rock, traveling about 30 miles an hour. Roads are, with all-wheel drive and snow tires, this is great. So, should be fine as long as they don't close anything. Alright, we made it over the pass. Snowing has stopped, and things are more stable. Looking good as long as 580 doesn't close. Well, things changed very quickly. Small gap in the weather, but then, boom, straight back into dumping snow. slowing down quite a bit from we were going 60 to now 30, but the blowing snow is pretty bad.